unboxing. Now before I get to that, I'd like to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. When we hit it, it was amazing. So today, I need my phone for this. Can anyone guess what we're unboxing? Have a look at the title. We're unboxing an Apple Watch Series 4. We just went down to the store to buy it. We were at JB Hi-Fi. It's just the GPS, not GPS cellular. So now the best part, pulling it open. There you go. Okay, so here we have the back of the box. It says we have the space gray aluminum case sport loop. So it's not the Nike one. I'm thinking about getting a Nike band. We might get it online because they've sold out everywhere. But we got the sports loop. So to open it, you have to sort of fold this back and pull. Fold back and pull. And then, here we go. Now that is absolutely amazing. It has all the bands on it, all the Apple Watches. It's absolutely amazing. So here we have the actual watch. Then you have the sports loop band. I love it because look, it's sort of like rainbow. You got the actual watch box, which looks pretty cool as well. So let's move this to the side and let's open the watch. So straight off the bat, you have designed by Apple in California on the box, and you have their watch there. We'll get into that later. So here, like the phones and everything, you have just how you set it up and everything. You should have a app on the phone and things. It has a magnet for charging, so you plug it in and then put it on the magnet and it charges at night. You can change the watch face whatever you want. Mickey, Minnie, I think you can also do your own custom ones. So here we have the charging thing. It's magnet, so it magnetizes to it. We got the little charging cube here. You get that with every single phone and pretty much every single Apple product you buy. Then you have the actual watch. Now, if I can pop that out and show you. So it has a sort of like a fake, a fake sort of velvet sort of feel to it. And then, there you go. It's amazing. So now while that starts up, we'll have a look at the band. It is 40 millimeters. It is the Apple Watch band. So, black sport loop logo here. Right off the bat again, Apple Watch. And you just think you have like some instructions, what you do or don't do, blah blah blah. Read that online later. And here you go. You guys are seeing this first time I haven't seen this before, so you guys are seeing it before me. Does it look good? Hope it does. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's really cool. So it's Velcro. Velcro's onto anywhere on the actual case, on like the strap. I just want to get this out and start pairing. So now this is why we need my phone. So if I load up my phone and there's an app that says watch, and so I click watch and it allows you to start pairing. So you can pair, change the face to Mickey, Minnie, anything like that. I think down the bottom you can change it to whatever you want. App Store, you can download apps, search, so you search what you want to download. You can download Pokemon Go. I know, I still play it. It's actually really fun. So we'll actually start to pair it first. So I'll get back to you guys once we started pairing, once we finish pairing. So we've just actually clicked paired about 30 seconds after we've just said goodbye. In reality, it's probably like 2 seconds for you guys. But all you have to do is actually just take a photo of the screen and then it just pairs automatically. Then you have to start setting up wrist preferences. I like it on my right hand. Digital crown orientations. Side digital crown Apple Watch display will automatically set itself to a correct orientation. Yes, we would like that. Which side do you want the digital crown? So, I think the digital crown's that, right? I think so. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's digital crown. So, there you go. Please can be set up on iPhone. So this may take a moment, so we'll come back to you once it's, oh no, it's done. We'll come back to you when it's done. All right, everyone, so it's already set up. So I'll just show you. The Apple Watch is all ready. So all I have to do is put in my code. Don't want to leak anything, so I'll put it inside over here. So there you go, you have it. All the apps, able to move around freely. So now I'm just going to show you how you put in the band. So there's these holes around here at the sides. So all you have to do is come over here, and slide it in here. And then slide it in here. So now the band is all set up. All you have to do is slide your wrist in, pull it, and put it to where you want it. Put the Velcro on, and it Velcros. There you go, your Apple Watch is all set up. So just before we go, I just wanted to show you that the Apple Watch getting downloaded, like downloading an app. I'm going to download Pokemon Go. Just click download. And should have it start to appear on here. Okay, so here you can see the download has worked. It has now downloaded. Here's Pokemon Go. I had to download it on this phone. Log in. And here it is on the watch, all the way down the bottom. There you go. I'm level 30. Got my face in a little Magikarp hat. And I have a little bit of time left on my 10k egg. It says 7ks, but I put it in on an event time. So thank you everyone for watching the 1,000 subscribers special unboxing my Apple Watch. So I'm going to recap on everything that we did today. So first we opened the actual box. Then we opened the watch, the little case it came with, the brick and the magnet charging cable. Then we had a look at the band, which you can see me wearing here. Then we started pairing with my phone. Then we put the band on and started setting up and downloaded Pokemon Go. And that's everything that we did today. Thank you everyone for watching our 1,000 subscribers special where we unboxed the Apple Watch. It has been a long journey. I started the channel in 2015 and made a Minecraft video on my laptop. Then maybe last year or the year before, we made the how to make the marionette mask video, which is now at about 415,000 views. Thank you so much for that. If you're new, please subscribe, leave a like on the video if you liked it, and if you want want to see more from us, make sure you hit the little bell next to the subscribe button once you've subscribed. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.